Hi guys, myself Saranya madireddy. I'll be explaining my app which I've developed as part of my coursework now. Hmm, this is my starting page of my app. As you can see, there is a image and click here to get started button. This image is, basically I just wanted to put up just to just to give the user an idea like about charity. My app is about charity, like it's charity finder app, so helping hands for all, that's it. So just to get started, click here, and now you can go to the login page. I'll just use my login details here and then click on sign in. I just added a toast message that is welcome, and it is working fine. Now I have added a spinner over here, and there is a search button and a video. This is actually a video. So I what I wanted to do basically is like people often want to help people who are in need, or who are expecting help from someone who is willing to donate or something. So basically, what I wanted to focus is on cancer patients and whatever the data you can see over here. So that's what, like, for health issues and animal welfare, and for child care and missing people. So that's what I primarily wanted to focus on. After that, you can click on the search button to go to the next screen. So let me explain you the video part before that. So I have added a text over here. Click on the video to play. So click here, you can see a frame layout kind of thing. It will show you like reverse, forward, and play buttons and all. I'll just click on the play button. There you go. Yeah, it is playing, and I'll just forward it for now. That's hardly a 1 minute video. I wanted to put up a video, something related to charity, because my app is more about donating, uh, money to charity organizations. So that's why I've added up this video over here. Now, click on search. I For now I just selected all initially by default. So click on search button. You can see all the list of organizations which are coming from my Firebase database. Let me show you my Firebase. This is the one. I just used the normal object structure. I have added, I think I have added around 12 or 13 organizations for now. Yeah. So this is the data. So if how many organizations I want to retrieve, I can add over here manually. Or, yeah, I added manually. I can do the same if I want to add more. So this is the data which is displaying here. Let's go to the implementation part. That's the code part. Mm, this is my main activity. So as you can see, I have let me put up the same screen over here. This is the one. So I just have a image and a button over here. So the which is what I'm handling here. There is a button, and we have a set on click listener. So this will hit when a user clicks on the button, and then we have this intent. So intent is basically used to get another activity started, like when we from a developer point of view want to open another activity from the previous activity. So that's when this intent comes into the picture. Let me show you the XML as well. That's pretty much simple. I just have a image view and a button over here, as you can see the same here. And next, let's click here. I have a login screen, and this is my login activity. uh, Basically, I didn't do anything much here. From code point of view, Android Studio has a, very good feature like of implementing the login activity. When you are creating a new activity, so that's pretty much helpful for me in completing this particular screen over here. So, oops. So let me click on this. So Android Studio almost completed my job. So this feature is nice. So I didn't have to do much with this in the login screen. And this is the third screen. So coming to this part, this is the third activity Java, and here is the XML. Um, yeah, I just added a spinner over here. I just wanted to display different categories in my spinner data. So for that, I used a spinner, and I have a button over here, that is the search button, and I added video view inside the frame layout. That is for uh, for displaying this symbols, whatever it is coming here, just for the user visibility. Yeah, and coming to the Java part, I have used the array adapter here since my screen has a spinner. So as you can see, I've added a spinner over here, array adapter over here. So that basically pulls out the data whatever I have added in my spinner list. So and it will put up in my array adapter. And this data is a static data actually. So I have added it in the strings XML. Once again, here it is. So this is the same data, and yeah, that's about the spinner. And search doesn't have much, just a add listener on button, which gets hit when user clicks on the search button, and we have the intent again just to get started, just to get started with another activity. And the video part here, this is the code about the video. So this is the video, and this will develop, I mean, get the URI whatever you want. So my video is here under the raw folder. So that is what basically here. Yeah, that's it. And this media controller and all, set anchor view is just to display my play my video, and this will set media controller will finally play it. That's it. And let's click on this search button. We get the list of organizations. So for this, let's go to my last activity. This is my XML. I just have a recycler view. As I already told, I used a recycler view here. And this is my item.xml, which is used for particular, one particular card view, which is item view, which is displaying here. So this basically the cancer research UK, which is displaying on the top. So that's an item, and this XML replicates that. So that's what it does. That's the basic good benefit of recycler. As user adds much data, recycler will pull up the, add up the memory, will add up the memory and the space, and you don't have to do anything. It will just add up, it keeps adding in the view, and you can scroll it up and down as well. So yeah, that's it about the XML part. And coming here, I just have the database reference here. just to pull my Firebase data and all. And I'm just putting it, setting it to my adapter, and displaying it over. And for that, I used this add value event listener. So that's pretty much a brief description about my implementation part. What I couldn't achieve basically is like I wanted to when you click on this one particular item, I wanted to go to another activity, like another screen, and you can put a button, or like you can give some more details about the organization, whatever it is. For now, I just gave the name and email, nothing much details over here. The payment button, or like donate or whatever, so that should go to the payment page, so that user can donate some amount of money to the that particular organization. So given the time constraint, I couldn't really get to that part. So coming to the interactive features, I have handled the getting retrieving the data from Firebase. And one more thing is, like I have showed you already, the handling the video, and I have handled the spinner also. That's pretty much about my app. And I've showed to one of my roommates who stays along with me. So um, what's the feedback he gave me is the same, what like if I click on since my app is about charity, if I add a payment or donation or whatever button to get the payment section to that particular organization with proper securities and all, that would have been nice. So even I had the same thought, so that's the feedback I've got from my friend. I think that's pretty much done. And lastly, thank you, Eamon and Kiran, for your support during this coach work. That's it. Thank you.